In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different AI influencer channels that are currently blowing up all over YouTube right now so that you can see exactly what kind of videos they're making, what niche they're in, and how they're making money so that you can replicate it with your own AI influencers. Now, the first channel we're going to look at is Jada Monroe. You can see that they have 53k subscribers with just 103 videos, and the channel was only created back in March, so a few months ago. And if we scroll through, you can see that they're in the AI music niche, essentially just posting AI generated music, all centered around this AI influencer, Jada Monroe. Every single video they post gets thousands of views, and if we scroll through the comments on one of their videos, you can see that they get crazy engagement too, with most people not even realizing that this is an AI influencer. Now, these kinds of channels are super easy to make. All of the music is generated by Suno, which, for those of you who don't know, is a platform that allows you to create AI generated music in literally just a few minutes.
Some days all you can do is hold on. So hold on.
The visuals are just 16:9 images of the same AI influencer with a microphone and some text written on top of it, which literally every single one of you watching could easily replicate right now. Now, if we come over to Spotify, you can see the same influencers getting nearly 500k monthly listeners, which is just crazy when you think about it. So not only are they getting paid from their YouTube views, they're also getting paid insane amounts of money from all these Spotify streams as well. Now, the next channel we're going to look at is Eddie Dalton. They have 170k subscribers with just 62 videos. And again, the channel was only created back in March this year, and you can see that they're in the exact same AI music niche. They're posting these AI generated music videos all centered around this one AI influencer. If we click on one of the videos,
She don't stay long.
you can see it looks very similar to the last channel, just a basic cover photo of the influencer with the AI generated music in the background playing. Now, if we come over to Spotify and type in Eddie Dalton, you can see that this influencer is also getting nearly 500k monthly streams. And if we come back over to YouTube, they've gotten over 50 million views in just 5 months, which is insane. Now, imagine if they were selling some sort of digital product on this channel, like some sort of music ebook, or even just a private community where they gave people access to exclusive music. They would easily be making multiple 5 figures every single month. Now, the last channel I'm going to show you is Black River Whiskey. They've got over 30k subscribers with over 200 videos posted on their channel. And of course, they're in the same AI music niche, but this channel is doing something slightly different with their videos. If we click on one of the videos,
Someone asked me why I still wear my ring.
you can see that they've actually got the AI influencer in the video singing along to the music, which definitely helps if you want to build a connection with the audience. Now, if we come over to Spotify, you can see that they're getting over 600k monthly listeners, which is insane. And they've gotten over 12 million views on YouTube as well. So imagine if they're selling some sort of digital products like exclusive access to more music or some sort of ebook, they would be making way more money with this channel. Now, if you want to learn how to create the best digital products that you can sell with your own AI influencers, then you need to be inside my community. Every single month, I show you how to create the best digital products such as ebooks, PDF guides, fitness trackers, online quizzes that you can then sell with your AI influencers. I also show you how to find affiliate links and sell other people's products. So if you don't want to create your own, you can just sell theirs and take a percentage of the profit. You'll also get the most up-to-date niches and methods for creating AI influencers, free and paid, way before I post them on YouTube. So if you want to get access to all of this plus much more, click the first link in the description, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.